Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the engine air filter in your Lexus RX 350. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving you time and money. Keeping your engine air filter clean is crucial for optimal engine performance, better fuel efficiency, and extending the life of your vehicle. Let's get started with why this is so important. Changing your engine air filter offers several key benefits. It ensures your engine receives clean air, which is vital for efficient fuel combustion, leading to improved gas mileage and better acceleration. Plus, it acts as a shield, preventing dust and debris from entering and damaging critical engine components. For this job, you'll primarily need a new engine air filter designed for your Lexus RX 350 and sometimes a small flathead screwdriver. Let's walk through the replacement process. First, open your hood and find the black plastic airbox, typically on the driver's side. Next, release the two metal clips holding the airbox cover in place. Gently lift the cover, sliding it slightly to disengage any rear tabs, then remove the old, dirty filter. Take a moment to wipe out any debris inside the housing. Finally, insert your new filter, ensuring it sits correctly. Then reattach the cover and secure the two clips. For best results, aim to replace your engine air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, or at least once a year, especially if you drive in dusty environments. This simple maintenance step keeps your Lexus running smoothly and efficiently. Don't forget, your vehicle also has a cabin air filter, usually behind the glove box, which is important for the air quality inside your car. Regular checks of both filters are key to a well-maintained vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.